Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. Alright, in our last few videos we created a fuselage and a wing and an aileron, and then we set our fuselage and wing and aileron to kind of work the way that we expect them to work. Now the question is, how do we get the other side? Do we go through that process again, or do we do something a little bit different? What we're gonna do is we're gonna mirror. We're gonna duplicate and mirror to move our wing and aileron over to the other side. So what you want to do is select the wing, and then shift select the aileron. Again, in Blender you select with the right mouse button, so select the wing and the aileron. Shift D to duplicate, kind of move it over a little bit. Then you want to select the wing, the new wing. You want to bring up N for the transformation properties. And what we want to do is we kind of want to put this end over here and this end over here, and that translation will happen in the x-axis. You can see down here. So under here, under scale in the x-axis, we're going to add a negative modifier and then hit enter. We can close that out. We can grab it and kind of bring it down a little bit. We can zoom in. Let's grab this. And when you have something either grabbed or in grab mode, scale mode, or rotate mode, if you hold down the shift key, you get this very fine movement control. Basically, a big movement of the mouse ends up being a very small movement of the surface. So what we're going to do is bring it over here almost on the edge, and then we're going to hold down shift and kind of line it up a little bit. Now let's select this one with the right mouse button, hit G to grab, X to constrain it in the x-axis so it stays on this bar. Move it kind of into position and then hold the shift key to get it right where we want it. Good. Now we'll zoom back out a little bit. Now we can see that we've got a right wing and a left wing, both parented to the fuselage. We have a right aileron and a left aileron, both parented to their respective wings. One thing that we need to do is in the N, we need to change this to left main wing, and left main aileron. So left LMW, RMW, RMA. Let's get rid of the 001. And LMA. And fuselage. So there we go. All the names are set up. Before we close out this video, let's make sure that this aileron is rotating the way that we expect it to rotate. So we're going to hit RXX, and we can see that that aileron does indeed move the way that we expect it to move. Let's see if we can do these both together. RXX. Okay, that doesn't quite work, but anyway. RXX. We can see that wing kind of moves. And that one kind of moves. So there we go. We are good. In our next video, hopefully we'll do up the tail, and then we'll be ready to do some painting. Thanks.